Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word presupposition. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. One presupposition of this theory is that human behavior is influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. A presupposition is an assumption or belief that is taken for granted before the conversation or argument even begins, shaping the perspective or conclusion reached. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.